is Darba. Today I'll be showing you how to decorate light switch faceplate covers. The items you will need are the faceplate cover, scissors, a screwdriver with a flat tip, and duct tape. You can also use stickers or a permanent magic marker. But today I will be using duct tape. The good part about using duct tape is that you can easily remove it and make changes if need be. So here are a few examples of what's been done. Let's get started. And there you are. Okay, so now you take your finished product, and there are 2 screws that comes with your faceplate cover, and you take the screws and you screw the faceplate cover over the light switch, and you put your screws in the hole, and there you have it. Happy decorating. Bye.